Recording, share screen. Uma, can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you are viewing from. This is Mercyfx, and we are here live today on our weekly analysis. So before I go further, I would like to explain the meaning of this weekly analysis. So this weekly analysis is me analyzing the market, what we are going to stick to for the week, if you are going to stick to buy side or if you are going to stick to sell side. Normally, if you know me, if you've been following me, I only trade AUD/USD, I trade Euro USD, and I trade SAUD USD, which is gold. So guys, before I continue, I would like to brief you guys about the private mentorship, the difference between this Telegram and the private mentorship. So the private mentorship, it's where we get to teach you to trade, because it's where Umar, please mute your mic. Please, the private mentorship, it's where we get to teach you to trade. To teach you to trade, to know the basics, because where we are going to start with from this private mentorship, we can't just teach you, we can't just go ahead and start showing you zone. This is what you expect, this is what you expect in the market. We have to teach you the basics first of forex, knowing what is forex, knowing different things about forex before the next stage, which is how to trade by yourself. Why this telegram? You will only depend on my signals. You only depend on my signals. When I say you should buy, you buy. When I say you should sell, you sell. So guys, before I continue, this year is remaining just few months, just 2 months, I think. Yes. So go fund your account. Let's really juice it really hard from the market. So before I dive into the charts, Umar, are you having any question? Umar, can you hear me? Are you having any question before I dive into the chat? Let's see what we are going to
I don't
stick
have
to.
I don't have any question.
Okay, you say
But
you're
I
from
have
Kano. Are you
I have
from?
I have some question about the mentorship program.
Okay, what is your question?
Okay, my question is how much for the mentorship program?
It's $29.99, which is equivalent to naira, which is 30,000 naira.
Okay, just like $30 approximation, right?
Yeah. Let me say $30. If you want to turn it to naira, say naira now. You know what naira dollar is talking about. So it's 30,000 naira in terms of naira for the private mentorship, and online and naira bank transfer is available.
Okay.
So what else do you want to know?
Yeah. So if I want to, I will let you know.
Okay, Umar, no problem. So now let's dive into the chart, right? Let's see what we are going to stick to for the week. Please mute your mic. Sorry, I'm not in the office. I'm at home. That's why I'm using my phone. You can see my screen, right?
Yeah, I'm seeing your screen.
Wow. Okay. Before I continue, please, what happened to me? I wasn't online. I wasn't active for throughout last week, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Guys, it was really shocking. What really happened was I actually lost my phone. The night before I was supposed to travel to Zamfara on Wednesday. which is a compulsory, like a must journey. So losing the phone didn't actually stop me from traveling, but to God be the glory, the guy who picked the phone was able to bring it back. So that is why I was not active. Forgive me, guys. This is a great testimony for me, though, because there are many things. There are many things in this phone. So, guys, that is what happened. My apologies. So, if we could look at this SAU USD, which is known as gold. So let's start from our monthly time frame to see our draw on liquidity. Our draw on liquidity means where we are going to see where is price heading to the next zone we are going to expect. So if we could see, this is our gold has been rallying up. Gold has been rallying up. You need to, the best thing, you need to stay with the trend. You can't fight the trend. You can't fight the trend. Okay, we've seen this major rally. Good. This is a strong. I'm coming. This is a strong. This is a strong. This is a strong resistance zone which gold has been respecting. One, two, three. So the next thing, as we've seen gold has tested this strong zone for 3 times. So what we are going to expecting is the downside for gold. For gold now to retrace down, we are going to see a massive drop on gold. But now the issue is that we don't know when. Nobody is FOREX Allah, nobody is FOREX Jesus. So we don't know when this when gold will actually start dropping. We don't know when gold will actually start dropping. Let me take out this fig. So it will be, this is not the pair I really wanted to, this is not the pair I really wanted to analyze on, but let me just continue. So gold, there is 2 things here. We can see gold come to this upside. We can see gold come to this upside. Let me turn it to the gold color. Let me make it a little big. Okay. We can see gold come to this upside because where we were expecting, where we were expecting gold to retrace back down, unfortunately gold break that zone, keep going up. So this upside, this is where I guess we'll be expecting gold to drop. Let me show you the zone. I will want to see gold. Okay, let me show you the first one. If I could put my fib, I guess this is why I say the private mentorship is very, very important. We are going to teach you the basics. The basics, you have to know, like, what are the Fibonacci. Fibonacci is created by someone called Leonard Fibonacci in those 13th centuries. So it's a tool. It's just like a market profile. Market profile is a tool used to gain insights. In the market. So I was actually expecting gold. Why gold was here, this zone. When gold was here at this zone, I was actually expecting gold to come down to this level, to this high, and break back down. I entered this trade, but I was stopped out. I was expecting gold to get to this zone, to this high. Let me increase this one. I was expecting gold to get to this high, then retrace back down. But unfortunately, gold kept going up. So now we have to be honest with you guys, we have to avoid gold for now. Either when gold will be juicy for entry, you can see where it is now. This is where it is. Either we get a retracement, a pull up down up here, then get a down retracement. Then if we get a down retracement, where our entry is going to be, it will be somewhere here like this. This will be our entry point. Then we'll look to sell gold. So on gold, this is what I can do for gold. Gold is not really the major thing I trade. So this will be our entry point. This cycle level will be my entry point for gold. And if gold fails to go up there, I will want to see something like this. Let me take out this one. If gold fails to go up there, I want to see something like this, because the zone at which gold is now, it is a zone that it can retrace. So if this is a retracement, I want to see something like this. I want to see a down move, get back to this zone, this first zone I first analyzed, then this will be my entry point again, down. So this is it for gold. Let me circle it again. So this is it for gold. This is it for gold. If gold keep going up, this is you can see everything. Umar, are you understanding? You are getting it?
Yeah, I get it.
Okay. So that is it for gold. So my major pair which I trade is the
But
AUDUSD. Sorry.
I have some
Okay, I can
question.
hear you. Okay.
Are you a scalper or day trader or swing trader?
I'm a day trader. I day trade, I swing trade. If I see a nice setup that will last for 1 month, I can swing trade. Like this upper zone, you can see that upper zone at which gold is now, I can swing trade in that zone.
Yeah,
I can swing
gold
trade in that zone.
like gold. I think it will reach that zone because the net position, the banks and management add more position right now in gold. So
Yeah.
me too, I'm expecting gold to reach that zone. From that zone, we are expecting huge selling. That selling,
Huge,
if we
yeah,
catch the
yeah,
trade,
yeah, yeah.
yeah, we can take it as a swing trade. Just find your entry, add more position. This is what I'm expecting to in gold.
You are in line with me. So
Because
let's see.
I'm just trade only two pairs, gold and GBP USD.
Okay, gold and GDP that's nice. GDP with the big rally. Very, very volatile.
Yeah, it's very very volatile. But say GBP USD and Euro USD, the correlation are like too much.
Yeah.
The correlation between two, that is too much.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
correlation is too much. That's true. So right now we want to respect this trend in AUD. This is the particular pair I trade mostly. So right now, if we could go to our higher time frame, which is our weekly, this is the zone at which we want to see AUD drop down to. This zone is where we want to see AUD drop down to before we could get a retracement upward. If before we could get a retracement upward, it's going to break this trend. It's going to, in a trend, if you're a trader, you need to stick to just three trends: the inner trend, two trends, the inner trend and the outer trend. Yeah, so it's going to break this inner trend, retreat down maybe to this outer trend, retreat down to the outer trend, because I'm coming. Let me just do a quick better recap. If I could place my fib, why we are going to get a retracement after gold get to this zone. If I could place my fib from this high, from this low to this high, Part. I really love this thing. Part. It make explanation easier for me. We want to see a retracement up here. Up here. Then maybe we can go down. So that is what we want to be seeing on AUD/USD. But now we are going to stick to because this is a weekly time frame, so we still have more time to stick to downside. So let me drop down to 4 hours. So let me drop down to 4 hours. You can see this inner trend line. Let me take out this one. I guess you understand that one now. So you can see this inner trend line. There is nothing for you to want to see or feel or think AUD/USD should go back up. So right now, if I could place my fib, down here, AUD/USD has retraced, and there is nothing for you to want to see AUD/USD go up here. There is nothing for you to want to see AUD/USD move up, except the market does its thing, because no one is the owner of the market. So, and no one is perfect in this game. It's just your skill and God. If you think that is the skill, that process you've studied, you've done everything you want to do, that is keeping you profitable in this market, guy, you are killing yourself. Just know that this market is God. No matter how many skill you have in this market, if this market want to fuck you up, it's going to fuck you up. So it's God that's helping us, nothing else. Understand? So now what I want to see in AUD/USD is kind of really AUD/USD actually it's a downtrend. We want to stick to a sell side. Let me drop to 1 hour. I want to stick to a sell side. So AUD/USD, as soon as the market opens, it's supposed to open by this video has gone very long. The market is supposed to open by 10, is it 10:30 p.m. this night? The market is supposed to open 10:30 p.m. this night. So guys, this is what I'm saying for AUD/USD. So as soon as the market enter, I'm going to dive in. I'm going to sell AUD/USD. I'm going to sell AUD because I see no retracement for me to wait. Anything that will want me to. I see no retracement for me to wait. We can just start moving massively down when the market opens. Because last Friday it was just consolidating. So it should be a down movement. Because if I said I want to wait for this market, what is going to happen is that I will have to wait for a pull down and purchase up here. This will be my entry point. So the entry point is just a two setup. Number one, as soon as the market opens, you can sell. Or you can wait for a retracement down here, then sell right here. So in case for you who don't know how to your risk to reward, you can just short this market here, right? This is a very massive stop. Let me make this. Sorry. Don't worry, guys. With time, I'm going to make these videos perfect. So this is it for AUD/USD. As soon as the market opens, this is what I'm looking to. So that is it. I don't really have time. If not, I would have analyzed I would have analyzed Umar's favorite pair, which is GDP USD. I don't trade GDP USD though, but if you are a trader, you can analyze anything. You can analyze cryptocurrency. You can analyze everything. So, guys, you can see how I did this. If you haven't watched my video on how I traded CPI live, go back and watch the video. And kindly, with all my content like this, please kindly do well to be liking, commenting. It motivates me to do more for you guys. So, if you, a warning to you guys, please, 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 if you think you have a mentor and that mentor cannot analyze the market, cannot do, and that mentor don't have in his profile what I'm doing, how to analyze this market live. If you don't have a mentor that doesn't have a video clip on how to analyze markets live that you saw, guys, please run for your life. Those people sorry, those people are only making money from people, not the market. If they are a trader, if they are traders, they should go to the market and trade. Let me see. Well, so that is it, guys. Please be aware, be aware. If you want to call someone your mentor, go to his profile, check and see where he analyzed the market live. Check and see if it's profitable. Don't see. I think that is the greatest risk. It's rather for you to come to the market and risk your money than you risk your money on a mentor that doesn't have any proof that yes, he can trade. anyone anyone who cannot trade the market like this, guys, I'm sorry for, I don't know what might happen in the future. You and your mentor. Sorry, I'm really having a cough. So that is it. That is it. So Umar, that is it. Anything else?
No, everything's okay.
Okay, so I'm ending this video now. Thank you so much, Umar, for your time.
No problem. Thank you.